Hello friends! Today is our Facebook Live day. It's the best day of the week. My name is Cogbill and my business is Paper Made Prettier. That's where you'll find me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all the places. And today we're going to make this cute card from the Radiant Sunflowers bundle, which is part of the suite that is called Sunflower Fields. Now, I'm not supposed to show you that. You guys have, many of you have received your holiday catalog in the mail, so I think we're good. But this is an item from our holiday catalog, and this is already hitting mailboxes everywhere. Mine arrived yesterday. I send one to myself so I'll know when my customers get their catalogs. But the ordering from this catalog starts September 1st, unless you're a happy shopper, and then you can order from it today. So if you're tired of waiting, then pull the trigger and get your starter kit, which is $125 for $99, easy peasy, and you will totally enjoy that. I am your girl. Now, two things I need to tell you before we get started. We have a lot to talk about, but I'm trying to keep myself organized here. Right now until Friday is double Stampin' Rewards. Normally you get 10% back on any of your purchases that are $20 or more, but now you're going to get 2 times that. Okay, so definitely get your order in by Friday, the 21st of August. Don't forget to shop the paper sale. So one of the papers that we're using in our project today is Basic Beige. It is a gorgeous neutral. It's going to be popular with this Radiant Sunflower Suite or Radiant Sunflowers bundle, but also you'll see it with the Neutral Noel Suite and lots of other suites that we've got for Christmas. So make sure and check out that designer paper cardstock, two-tone cardstock sale. And those discounts stack, okay? So you can stack them on top of each other. Now, make sure and stay to the end because I've got a whole bucket of Christmas and holiday projects to show you at the end. All right, let's get started with our Radiant Sunflower card. Now, this card I made for my team. There's so many perks of being on my team. One of the main perks is swapping with all of our team members. There's about 70 of us. Many of us are local. Some of us are not. Don't have to be. But, and we like to share projects. So this was a project that I designed for our catalog, for our shoebox swap that we had with a pool party. The pool party was definitely one of the highlights. Hello, Barb. I'm so glad you made it. Always fun to see you on Facebook. All right, so the two colors I'm using today are Cajun Craze and Early Espresso. And Barb, I know your favorite color is yellow, so we're going to get some Golden Glow in there, which is a new fun yellow that we have. All right, I've put this, you just need some sort of paper underneath where you're stamping so that you can stamp off onto it. You can go full strength or you can go half strength on this background that you're doing. Honestly, they look the same here. That one looked a little darker. And you're just getting a little sunflower background. I don't like to have just a blank piece of cardstock anywhere, so I thought that sunflower filled that space in nicely. All right, now we're going to use this little die cut. Now, this is one of the features of our I know you love sunflowers, Barb. Now, this little die is so wonderful, and it's just smack in the middle of all these other gorgeous sunflower dies. But you've got this one we're going to use, but you've got a couple of pots. You've got a couple of these flowers, and that's one of the bonuses of this die set is you've got doubles of things. So that makes quick work when you're making repeat things. These kind of are doubles. when you're making things quickly, which, hey, it's always good to make things quickly so you can make more. All right, next we're going to use Early Espresso to just stamp our Thinking of You right in the middle of that die cut from our Radiant Sunflowers. Get those back in their bucket. Now we're going to fold our Sweetness here. Now, I don't have the whole pack of paper in front of me, but let's see if I can find well, I'll grab my cowlick again, get back to it. So it's got some really gorgeous patterns. We've got these are called our hero sheets that are just like lots of sunflowers. And then we've got some great neutral kind of monochromatic pieces. So you definitely want to pick up that Sunflower Fields Designer Series paper. Just, you want to get the whole suite. It's $89. If you're a happy shopper, like I said, you can buy that now. Otherwise, you can get a starter kit and buy that now. Or you can wait until September 1st and pop it into your cart. Then I'm happy to help you. So you may or may not have heard, but I am frantically, not frantically, but I would say, let's call it focused, trying to earn my trip to Costa Rica. I love trips with Stampin' Up. They're so fun. And I'm close enough that I'm asking for help from my customers. Your orders will get me one step closer. And I'll tell you about some other things that I'm doing to help me earn this trip. But we'll get to that in a second. So you've got your little sentiment die cut there. I've got this cute Mossy Meadow gingham ribbon that's also part of the suite. And then there are gems that are just called Radiant Gems. It's hard to see, but they're yellow, green, blue. So Secret Sea, Mossy Meadow, and Golden Glow. Very functional and versatile. I've used them with this suite, but I've used them with a lot of other things. They'll even go great with Christmas. So I had these parceled out because this was actually one of our packets for our swap that was extra. So I made it on purpose so that I could share with you on Facebook Live. All right, now the last thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little dimensional here and pop our sunflower down right there. And then the last thing we're going to do, you could use liquid glue or a glue dot. I have glue dots handy. And pop that little sunflower center there. Then for the inside, we can put our basic beige right in, because you cannot write on Cajun Craze. It's too dark. And I'm sure you guys will decorate the inside perfectly. All right, so Radiant Sunflowers. Hello, Carol. Good to see you. All right, so Radiant Flowers, you want to grab that as soon as the catalog opens on September 1st, or you can shop that catalog now by being a happy shopper. Now, before I get to my big bucket of holiday products, as I said, I'm trying to earn my trip to Costa Rica. I'm at 30,500 and I need to get to 40,000. So I have 8,500 points to go. Every dollar that someone orders from me is a point. So I obviously need some help there, and I'm asking for your help. Now, some other items that I want to share are this Glow of Harvest designer paper, which is our product of the month. I've got some sun coming in, so I was hoping that you could appreciate. This is not your average designer paper. It's fall, but it's got like, it's luster. It's got a pearlized luster to it. It's very difficult to appreciate online, but oh my gosh, I just thought it was a pretty fall paper, and of course earned it easily when I ordered my kits this month. I always order my kits first of the month and get that product of the month. But oh my gosh, this stuff is gorgeous. I'll be using this soon on a project. No worries. Don't forget about all of our hot foil. So it's not in a catalog. This is the regular hot foil, and then we have all of these cute holiday hot foil products that you can purchase. Those are currently available. Now, let's talk about our holiday catalog products that I have to share. Before that, I want to make sure you understand about my Costa Rica ordering special, okay? So when you spend $50 or more, you're going to get this cute, you're going to get a tutorial for how to make this cute Halloween Oh My Fright bundle sampler. That's one of the things you'll get. Plus you'll get a holiday catalog embellishment. So that's with $50. If you spend $75, you're going to get, of course, the sampler PDF, but then the products don't stack. You'll get your choice of a pack of paper. So you tell me what pack of paper you want. If you spend $100, I'm going to give you $20 in Stampin' Rewards. Plus you'll get the tutorial for this cute sampler. Okay, so definitely shop with me right now. Go ahead, join my team if you want to shop from that holiday catalog today. I would love to be your happy shopping demonstrator. These are the classes that I'm also offering that will help me earn my trip. Next Tuesday, live, and then Wednesday online, we'll have a card class. You're going to make 2 each of this card. You can earn this by placing an order of $50 or more with me between now and then. Actually that starts at the card class date. So right now I'm running this special, but this will be the special starting next week. So you've got, and this is a little holiday or Halloween fun fold. So this will be what we make in card class next week. So make sure and sign up for that. I'm going to put all the links to sign up for what I'm showing you in the comments of Facebook and in the information section on YouTube. So my first Christmas card class, I'm going to do a series of 3 classes. This one is September the 6th. So these are the dates for the classes. They will ship to you, or you can do them at the actual class, or you can even do the first 2 at my retreat. So I've already put out the sign up for this, and I'm going to be putting out the sign up for this in the next few days. The second class is with Neutral Noel. I just finished these cards, so no one has seen them all. My next class, Christmas cards, will be with these cute ephemera packs. If you take all 4 of the Christmas card classes, you will get a free sanding box, and you will also get you'll have 32 cards at the end, which is fantastic. So you definitely want to take advantage of that. And the last thing to tell you is my paper share. There are 22 packs of designer paper in the catalog, and you're going to get a 6x12 sheet of all of the papers. It's a mega share because there are so many different papers. All the information about that is on my website, and I'll put the link for that as well in the information here on Facebook or YouTube. Lastly, I'm going to show you the rest of my holiday catalog items. These are all Radiant Sunflower projects. This is my favorite. Loving it. We had a swap with my team. These were a result of our team swap. All of these fun projects from the holiday catalog. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'd love to see those orders roll in so that you can help me earn that trip. All right, thanks, bye.